Good morning guys. Hello mga PepzHug&kiss. Today is Tuesday. So like always, we woke up so early and then preparing so that we can go earlier to the work. So now I'm going to the station. It's a little bit like I'm feeling good today. I don't know why. Even my banana queue is a little bit like how you called it, bugnuting. You know, he's not making my lunch packet because he's a little bit disappointed yesterday. If I don't answer his call, then he's a little bit annoyed, you know. So I just don't care. I just leave it. And then if he don't reply you anymore, if you send a message, because I'm always late to reply, then he will get annoyed for it. Then if I will reply, then he doesn't reply anymore because he will see to himself, oh, fuck off. You don't always pay attention. You're always late to reply. So that's why. But he's a little bit guilty because I don't know, when I was sleeping tight already, I think he go down. And still he's putting my cup for my coffee in the morning. It's just put the warm water. We do it in the basic way because our espresso machine, it's broken. So we need to buy a new one, like to make, you can make a latte, and already together with the tea. So that is the one that we needed, that kind of machine. So now I'm waiting to my train. I'm already here in the station. So we shall see, because yesterday it was late. We are here. We are a lot here, waiting for the train, and it was two transportation train was passing, and it's a very very slow. And then the third one is the train, a train passenger. And it's also the same way. He drive also very slowly, and I think is something wrong. There is something wrong with the technician. Something is I think is broken on the railroad, or I don't know, or maybe on the train itself. So that's why it's very low. And then when the train passing through us, they say, hey, we are here. Why you don't stop? It is really funny yesterday. Wait, it's getting battery low now. I'm getting in trouble. Okay guys, see you later. See you later. I wanted to sit normally here, but it's a little bit like it's very wet here. It's from the last night it was freezing. I didn't know, so it's back freezing again. You remember last week, 2 weeks ago, it was snowing. Look now, my breathing. You can see there is smoke. So it's a little bit freezing. It's like there is a little bit ice on the roof and on everything here. A little bit ice on top. Okay guys, see you later, alligator. So guys, I'm here now in the train. little bit traveling again. But anyway, I like it to travel. That's why I don't want to look work around my neighbor where I live, because through my work, for example, if I'm only half day, then it's very easily to get home and so a little bit earlier, and then I will be boring. So at least in this situation, then at least I have a little bit freedom, or I can enjoy for traveling, enjoy watching outside, and if you need something after your work, then you can still go passing by to the shop. But if I'm in the home already after my work, then it's a little bit boring. Even if you are doing things at home, it's a very big difference for me. I don't know, that's only for me, guys. Maybe for you it's different, that after your work you wanna go home directly because you want to do something to do at home. But for myself, after my work, I just wanted to relax. Even I'm not going to the shop, but I just wanted to enjoy. Even I'm in the train, at least I have a little bit more views to look, and for me it's a little bit relaxing that I'm a little bit enjoying riding, you know. So that's the one I like it. You know, guys, if you could see, there is something like a chain here. I was putting this because, you know, if you want to pick it out this, if I will pick it out my mask, then it will be a big, very, they will become loose here. So I just don't like it. So and I don't want that I will lose it, because at the beginning I always lost my mask, and I just don't observe that it was out, is falling. I lost it. So that's why I'm putting a chain on it. Before I was putting a little bit like a very thin one, but it was kaput, it's broken. It was I don't know, it was in 2 pieces. So this is me now. I was not putting makeup. I'm just only putting like the key line, and then the eye institute here. So I'm not putting, I'm not putting foundation. So I want to show you a little bit view outside. I'm just gonna turn around like this. So this is like this. Okay guys, this is the last one now. I want to say bye bye. See you to my next vlog.